Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. First, open your Facebook Business Manager account. Make sure you have admin access to the Facebook page and the lead ads form you want to use. Go to the left menu and click on All Tools. Then find the option called Instant Forms under Events Manager. Here you can confirm which form is collecting your leads. Next, open Google Sheets in your browser. Create a new blank spreadsheet. Give it a name that will help you identify it later, such as Facebook leads. You can set up column headers for the information you want to receive, like name, email, phone number, or any other fields from your lead form. To connect the two platforms, we will use a third-party automation tool such as Zapier or Make. In this example, we will use Zapier. Go to zapier.com and log in or create a free account. Click on Create Zap. For the Trigger app, search for Facebook lead ads and select it. Choose the trigger event called New Lead. For the Action app, search for Google Sheets. Select the action called Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google account and choose the spreadsheet you created earlier. Select the worksheet if there is more than one. Map each field from your Facebook form to the correct column in Google Sheets. You now have a live connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets.